a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the loan. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Rpgshow Hair. Shout out to you, RPG, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is in the name Wigs by Cherish021. The order number is CC549. The texture is silky. The length is 18 inches. The hair color is the same color that is on the picture, which is like on the picture on the site. And the cap size is size 1. It is a glueless lace cap wig. It's 200% density, and the lace color is tinted transparent Swiss lace in light brown. So yeah, those are the details and specs with this wig. Now, this wig can be worn glueless, but I definitely did glue down the sides with glue. I actually used my lace spray, as you guys probably should have saw. But right up here, there's nothing. Like, there's nothing from here to here, okay? So I only put that spray on the sides just to make sure that it was laying down, because like I always tell you guys, I'm not sure if it has something to do with my ears or what, but child, I cannot get it to lay completely on the sides. I never can. Okay, so yeah, the unit did come pre-tweezed and pre-bleached. I did not tweeze or bleach this unit whatsoever. Our girl woke up like this. How you see her is how she woke up. I decided not to touch this unit whatsoever, just to show you guys how this unit comes straight out of the packaging. And as far as it being big head friendly, I do feel like it is, this cap size is universal, but if I'm not mistaken, you can get this unit in other sizes. Let me just check. Okay, so it looks like you can get this unit in either a medium or a large. I personally have the average cap size, but it does have a size 2 that goes from 22.5 to 23. So I would recommend you getting the smaller one if you are a small to medium, which is what I am. But if you are more so on the medium to large head side, then I would recommend you guys getting the size 2. But they do have those 2 options, and it doesn't look like it's any additional pricing with that. So just kind of keep that in mind. This unit came pre-colored, and honestly, y'all, it has not shedded or tangled or whatsoever. It did come with a slight curl to it. I did decide to just, you know, throw in a few more curls, just because that's just like sort of my swag. But you can do what you want to, honey girl, because it's your wig. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, if you are interested in my pros and cons with this unit as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so my con with this wig is the lace color. It looks like you can get this lace color in medium brown or light brown. It is tinted transparent Swiss lace, but with my complexion, this lace is still not quite blending with me, in my opinion. So I just think it would depend. You guys know I personally prefer HD lace. So it just kind of depends on you and your complexion, and you knowing what looks good on you. I actually like the just transparent Swiss lace in general for my personal complexion, but it just, like I said, it depends on you. So yeah, that would probably be my only con with this wig, is the lace color, which is pretty common with me. You guys know, whenever I'm talking about the brown lace, that is always a thing. So yeah. Okay, so my pro with this unit is, first of all, the color. Second of all, I love that this unit did not take a whole lot of work. Like, I'm not trying to be just like, you know, sitting somewhere for hours. I do feel like this unit can be very, very big head friendly because it doesn't take the same amount of work as your average frontal. I also love that, like, even though I stop right there, the parting space goes all the way back here, y'all. Like, I love that for me, okay? Because, you know, usually that is my con with units that is a 13x4 or something like that. This unit is definitely not, like, literally you're not going to hit weft to you all the way back here. So I love that for me as well. So those are my pros with this unit. So would I recommend this unit? I would. Like I said, the only con I had is the color of the lace. But that is like a really, really small con with this wig. I feel like the hair is just gorgeous. It feels so nice. It's so soft, and it is really beginner friendly. And I love how they colored this unit. So I think it just really depends on you, honey. Like, if the lace is like a big deal, if you know you kind of struggle with brown tinted laces, then maybe not. But other than that, yes, honey, because this hair color, it has me feeling like Beyonce, honey.
Beyonce. You know who you really look like? You look like Luther Vandross.
Okay, you guys know I love the Queen Virgo. Okay, and this is what this hair is serving to me, honey. Okay, she's serving me my Queen Virgo vibes. Okay, all of the vibes that I need. So yes, I would recommend this wig. All right, y'all. So let me go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Oh, let me give you guys a length check. So this is where it comes to me. It is 18 inches. Just keep in mind that I am 5'4". Okay, y'all, so that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys like the unit. Let me know if you're feeling it the way that I am feeling it. Let me know down below what you guys think. I am really interested in your thoughts and opinions. And if you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, Rpgshow, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
Oh, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis, and I will cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hold.